Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to delete poll in Messenger. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open your Messenger app. So once you tap open your Messenger app, you can be presented in this page, so you can select any of the chats where you have sent a poll before. You can simply tap on the poll, however, nothing can be seen there as there is no delete option in the poll. After this, you can simply tap on the I like icon on the right hand side and simply go and scroll to the bottom of the screen. There you can find the leave chat option, which is the only way to delete your poll. Or otherwise, all you need to do is simply delete the group chat itself to delete the poll. This is how you delete poll in Messenger. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.